me, Jenny B, and today I am opening a package from Enailcouture, and I'm also showing you, I got these off in Amazon, so they came today. They are more stamps for my color street, so I have that lip punch, so they're not stamps, they're punches. So I have more hole punches that are the shape, so a nice little star, a leaf, a heart, a music note, a crown, ooh, an umbrella, so there's a lot of cute ones in there. So let's see. Might as well start with that. So it has a heart, an umbrella, ooh, a flower, a leaf, a butterfly, a tree, a star, music note, crown, and a 4-leaf clover. So those are fun. So I can play more with the color street and easy peasy designs. So those are, it's a 10-piece set obviously, and off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below. So now on to the package. So let's see. Get some Enailcouture, my tiny little Dollar Tree scissors. Ooh, leaves on it. Okay. Ta-da! It always Max Estrada. Enailcouture.com. And a nice number on there. So let's see what we got. Oh, the boxes are so cute. Look at that. You see it? Oh, maybe not. There we go. Oh, look at that. Packaged very nicely. I love the box. It's a nice professional touch. So I have lots of packing peanuts, because that's fun. Everything is always packaged very well. I've ordered from this company a couple times, and everything's always super secure. So I got some press-on gel. Some more press-on gel, but I got it in pink. Ooh, that's nice and sealed. This is cute. So it's a nice dusty pink color. I really love their 1, 2, 3 go system, and this is the press-on gel for it in a nice color. Then I got their squeezy gummy jelly. This is to put on rhinestones and gems and stuff. So there we go. Got more gem stuff, and this is the hard, for bigger gems and better adhesion. So I'm excited to try that out. So this is taped super well. What did I get? I think this is the nail dehydrator. I have their primer already, so I bought their nail dehydrator. So cute. And another A Pink 3-in-1 gel. It is a base coat, a nail strengthener, and a color, all in one. So I got another one, and this is in color 3. So let's see. Ooh, that's a pretty color, like a dusty rose. It's darker than the other one I got. Nice. And then I got these brush wipes. I want to practice acrylic, get better at it. So these are some nice brush wipes. Oh, they feel good, nice and thick, so I don't make a mess all over my table. I figured I'd try them out. Some Luxe brush wipes. And the last thing. Ooh, oh, so pretty. Isn't that cute? Look at that. And this is the top coat, so the shiny top coat. Nice. Ah, I love these handles. So yep, just regular top coat, but it's supposed to be super shiny, so I'm excited. And plus their stuff is so pretty, I cannot resist. So there we go. I got their, oh, that stands up nicely. Their shiny top coat, their colored press-on gel for the 1, 2, 3 Go nails. Another A Pink 3-in-1. Nail Dehydrator. The Fonset Gem Glue. And some Luxe brush wipes.